Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to hide this camera cutout for specific apps in this phone. So how to hide this camera notch? First of all, you have to go into the settings. Once you enter into the settings, you see this option of display. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, you will scroll down and you see this option of camera cutout. Okay, just select it. Okay, so once you select it, here you have all your apps available in your phone. You can select any app for hide camera cutout. For example, I want to do this hide camera cutout for internet, for Samsung internet browser. So here we have Samsung internet browser. I just select it. Once you select it, a small window will open, and here you have three different options: show camera cutout, hide camera cutout, and auto. So what I will do is I select this hide camera cutout. Okay, so now everything is done. I will go back to home screen. Okay, and here I will open this internet browser. So you will see over here there is a camera cutout there, but once I will open it, so you can see the camera cutout is gone. Okay, so basically it hide the camera cutout by covering it with black bar. Okay, so there is no more camera cutout. So you can do this for other apps as well. You just have to go into the settings, just go to display, and then go into this camera cutout option, and here you have all your apps available for hide camera cutout. For example, I select this calendar, I select this hide camera cutout. So if I open the calendar, so I select the calendar. From here you see this calendar. So if I open this calendar, you see the camera cutout is now hidden with a black bar, and I can access my calendar like this. So this is how you can enable the hide camera cutout option in Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.